Alam mo, napapansin ko ang daming post ngayon about sa AI at sa mga artist na dapat tinatangkilik. Tama naman yun. Wala naman akong argument dun. Kasi artist din ako. Writer ako eh. But telling someone to stop using AI is like telling the bank to stop using ATM para hindi na mawalan ng trabaho yung teller. I agree that artists should be protected. But we must open our doors to new technology. Nandyan na yan. Hindi na yan mawawala. AI is here and it's not going anywhere. The challenge isn't about resisting it, but about responsibly embracing it. English yun. All we need to do is to adapt because the analog era has ended. Whether you like it or not, this is Generation Alpha. And as adults, it is our responsibility to explore this new technology so that the kids can guide us into a better future. English na naman yun. And yes, Generation Alpha will grow up with this tech. If we don't explore it now, how can we expect to help them use it responsibly later? English na naman yun. And lastly, adapting is not surrendering. It's evolving. And yes, ginawan ko na to ng post kagabi. Ginawa ko lang video kasi Reels.